Firescape Engineers, Firescape Academy Inspector Training. Here we are in Paterson, New Jersey, Washington Street, next to the China Express. And what we have is a fire escape here that we're doing a quick inspection on what to look for if you are writing a violation. So if you look at this, and the first thing you look for is either you write a structural violation or you write a paint violation. So the easiest one to write is a paint violation. So if you go here and you look at this, does it have more paint than rust or more rust than paint? Well, this guy has been painting his fire escape. So I have no paint violation here on this fire escape. So now let's take a look at the structural. When you look at the structural, we got missing treads. That's the first one. But let's say you couldn't even see that. We have another fire escape over there that was just recently inspected by us, and that fire escape has been red tagged with dangling treads. So this fire escape looks like it's about the same age. But let's look at some of the other things you can write violation. Let's say there were no dangling treads. The first giveaway is that the square head bolts on the treads are there. That's an indication that this fire escape is 50 to 75 years old, minimally, and it's never been refurbished in its lifetime. It's impossible for it not to have minimally the treads rebolted with hex head bolts. So that means that all these treads are ready to fall, and if you look straight up, you can see the lower treads are missing their bolts completely. Yet if you come out here and look at it, the bolt heads are still there. So that's the problem with square head bolts. They're an indication that the fire escape has never been refurbished, but somebody has been repainting it. Other issues, look at the cement on the wall. If there's any cracking on the wall, spalling on the wall, that's a violation also. Other violations, square head bolts on the supports. So if the supports still have the square head bolts, that's an indication that this fire escape has never been refurbished. And the superstructure minimally should be rebolted. Take a look at the ladder. The ladder's out of whack. The ladder now has a tilt to it because of somebody put up this awning, and this awning has forced the ladder to be crooked. So the cabling, the weights, the release arm is on the ground. It's not even a release arm, it's a piece of pipe that's stopping the ladder from dropping. So that's an illegal release arm, because you'd have to have a special knowledge. So it has to be single action requiring no special knowledge. All right, if you have any questions on this or any other inspection that you've seen, give us a call at Firescape Engineers. For further training, 866-649-0333. As always, you can go onto YouTube, type in Firescape Academy Inspector Training, and this and many other fire escapes just like this are there for you to train on how to write a violation, and always write the violation: repair, paint, test. And that will force them to get an engineer's evaluation done on this fire escape. Always write a violation: repair, paint, test. That covers the entire code. You can also visit us online, firescapeengineers.com, and we also offer free fire escape awareness programs for your city. We'll give you industry standard confidence tests, tags, low test criteria, as well as repair procedures free of charge to your city to implement a fire escape awareness program.